Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. If you can't see, just hit the gas and go. This lady driver cuts me off, brake checks me, and then yells at me.
Are you kidding? What's wrong with you?
I love how they.
There's no one behind me. There's no one behind me.
Was she yelling at you in her mirror?
Yeah, and gesturing and everything else.
So I pulled in.
Why this driver makes you turn from the right lane without looking. This happens literally every day at this intersection. Main characters passes everybody, casually escaping death. This SUV driver decided not to stop at her red light. Truck drivers doesn't care about others on the road.
I'm glad that you're incorporating jogging into. I know you see me. Like there was no one behind me.
People are just too impatient. I hate them.
Overconfidence on the light timing. Take your time, please. I don't want to be mean, but come on.
Okay, Garmin, save video.
This idiot drive makes a risky takeover. This driver decides yield signs don't apply to him. Luckily, I saw him and slowed down, or he would have taken us out.
What the? You have a yield sign.
Okay, let's not have road rage. Let's just let it.
Good luck. Buy a lottery ticket. Every once in a couple of days, I feel like quitting driving. Today was one of those days. Running a red turn light with a cop behind you isn't the best move. This distracted driver is in a hurry and must pass every car any way possible. This idiot runs a very red light in Montana. I don't think they know what braking is, nor do they know anything about turn lanes. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.